If your Ford Ranger is stuck in the driveway, don't panic. Most starting issues come down to these 5 common culprits. Statistically, nearly half of all starting problems are simply due to a weak battery or corroded terminals. Before you start buying parts, let's walk through a systematic diagnosis to find the real problem. Always start with safety by setting the brake, then check your battery voltage and terminal cleanliness. If you hear a single loud click when turning the key, your starter motor is likely the primary suspect. Don't forget the fuel system. On Rangers, the inertia switch in the passenger footwell can sometimes trip and cut power. A jump start works for weak batteries, but if your security light is flashing, you might have an anti-theft system error. Repair costs vary wildly, from a $20 relay to a $600 fuel pump replacement at a shop. If the starter is stuck, a few light taps with a tool while someone turns the key can sometimes get you home. You'll only need a basic socket set and a multimeter to handle most of these diagnostic steps yourself. Remember, cleaning your battery terminals twice a year is the cheapest insurance against being stranded. Follow these steps and you'll have your Ranger back on the road in no time. Thanks for watching.